We got fun mail. This one I bought, and this one was a gift, but they're the same people. Whoa. Opens, well, I'll just cut them both open real quick. Don't cut towards yourself. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Oh. This one, I do know what it is because I talked to them a little bit. Also, the envelope is orange. Do you think they know that's my favorite color? Pretty card.
Turn towards the light a little bit, that's a problem.
Yeah. We hope you enjoy these loofah seeds, praying blessings for you and your sweet family. Love, Danielle Jones. Loofahs. I've wanted to grow these for a long time. I'm very excited. Stick it in my pocket. This one I bought off of their merch. And I'm excited about it because I like tea and coffee. And moo cows. Dusty. It's a little moo. This one they had a caption contest, and this is their cow, Little Moo, and or bull. I think he's a steer, maybe. Maybe he's a bull, but I thought it was good.
We'll have to do a video in the light.
Okay, well maybe take a picture of it and put it at the end. But I just thought this was fun. Thank you. Somebody is arguing about the envelope color. What do you call this? You're blinding me. Is that good? Is that getting a good picture of the color? It's accurate looking?
No.
You have to be vocal. Okay.
It's somewhere in between both.
I'm cutting that out because nobody can have any ideas on what the color could be. They have to come up with their own
You already
brains.
said it in the video.
Yeah, you said it's that one.
Fine, I'll leave his word in. I call this an orange. I think it's an orange tan. Man.